Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add digits in front of a number in Microsoft Excel. This is useful when we want to format numbers, add leading zeros, or create consistent data formats. Let's go through the steps together. Now, on your Microsoft Excel cell, we can add digits by right-clicking the number or the cells. Once we have selected the cells, we go to Format Cells, and then go to Custom. Here, we just need to delete the 0. If we want to add a 0 in front of the number 1, we just need to type the number of digits we want. For example, it will display as Joe 1. If we want to add more zeros, we just type 3 zeros. This means 3 digits, so when we click OK, it will become 001. Now, if we highlight 2 cells and want them to be 4 digits, we just highlight the 2 cells, then right-click and choose Format Cells. Go to Custom and delete the existing format, then type 4 zeros, and it will display like this. As you can see, it adds zeros depending on how many digits we want. If we want 8 digits, we just highlight all the cells, go to Format Cells, and then go to Custom. Here, we will type 8 zeros in the Format field. As you can see, it has added the required digits in front of each number. And that's it. We have successfully added digits to the front of numbers in Excel. Now our data is formatted exactly the way we need.